How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And you might be familiar with this page right here if you're trying to access the popular sports betting operator DraftKings, which is, of course, only available in the US and Canada for the most part, and a few select jurisdictions. So if you're outside such jurisdictions, you're going to have to use a VPN. Now, before we begin, if you guys are interested in any of the VPNs mentioned today, you'll find links to special deals and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs. Now, any of these VPNs will work for the most part.
It really depends on what you're looking to get out of your VPN besides just accessing the DraftKings website.
So let me just go ahead and demonstrate, and then I'll give you a quick brief of what these VPNs are really about. So let's just start with ExpressVPN. I'll go ahead and use my favorite VPN to demonstrate. So since we need a US server or Canadian server, or just use whatever server really, go to Americas, pick Canada or the States. In this case, I already have the New York server ready, so I'm just going to go ahead and connect. And as soon as I'm connected, I'm just going to refresh the page, and it really should be as simple as that. It's the same with NordVPN. Just go to the States, click right here, or zoom in and click a certain state if you prefer. Oops, just cancel that. And it's the same with Surfshark, of course. Just pick whatever state server and then refresh. And there you have it. Now you have access to DraftKings and you're able to place your bets. It really is as simple as that. So how do you know which VPN is the best choice for you? It depends on what you're looking for out of your VPN. Now, if you don't care about, let's say, the slightly more expensive pricing of ExpressVPN, definitely go ahead and get Express because it is the best option overall. It's got the best security, best performance, and specifically if you're looking to unblock streaming services, then ExpressVPN will definitely be the most consistent option. Now, NordVPN and Surfshark are definitely great runner-ups. However, just in terms of consistency, you will see more of that in ExpressVPN. You've got over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, which is a lot of coverage. Whereas with NordVPN, you have over 5,100 servers. So that's a lot of servers, but they're within 60 countries, and over 3,200 servers in 65 countries with Surfshark. ExpressVPN will allow you to secure up to 5 devices per subscription, 6 with NordVPN, and virtually an unlimited number of devices can be secured with just one subscription. So you're able to share your account with as many friends and family as you would like with Surfshark, making it a pretty attractive deal. Whereas with NordVPN and ExpressVPN, you'll only be able to secure an unlimited number of devices if you install such VPNs on your router. And of course, everything connected to the router will be secured. So again, if you guys are interested in learning more about these VPNs, you'll find links to reviews down below. And overall, these VPNs are some of the most secure VPNs. They all boast the standard 256-bit encryption, and they have advanced security options if you happen to need them. And overall, the encryption and no-logs policy is just what you would need when you're operating financial information or accounts, which is what you're going to be doing, of course, in DraftKings or any other online casino or online betting website or whatever it is. It's definitely better to keep yourself in the encrypted and secure tunnel of the Express or just any of these VPNs secured servers. So again, if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to special deals and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews. I'll give you more of an in-depth look into the privacy policy, speed streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. Besides that, all these VPNs do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you are able to change your mind within the first 30 days, and you'll be able to claim your refund or ask them any other question in the live chat support, which is available on their websites. You can just access by hovering over the bottom right of any of these websites, ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or Surfshark. It's all the same thing, and they'll process you very quickly. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them all. And like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel or stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.